Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the assets. Open Capcut and create a new project, then import your video clips and the music track. Make sure the app has storage and microphone permissions so it can analyze audio. Choose a clean music file, high bitrate or WAV works best, because the detection algorithm needs clear transients. Once the files are in the timeline, place the music on its own track and trim any silence at the start, so the detection aligns with actual beats. With the music selected, access Capcut's beat detection or beat cut function. On some versions, this appears under Edit or Audio Tools. Tap Auto Beat or Detect and allow the app a few seconds to analyze the waveform. Visual beat markers will appear along the track. If markers are sparse or overly dense, tweak sensitivity or set the approximate BPM manually so the algorithm better matches the song's tempo. Make sure to preview against your clips to confirm hits align with visual moments. Once beat markers look correct, snap your video clips to those markers using cut or split so visual changes hit the beat. Refine timing by nudging clips by one or a few frames and add transitions that match the musical energy. When satisfied, export with preferred resolution and frame rate, typically 1080p at 30 FPS or higher. If markers were wrong, reanalyze the audio with adjusted sensitivity or trim, leading silence and rerun detection. That often fixes missed accents and improves final sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.